Unlock your earning potential. How to turn your phone into a freelancing powerhouse. Introduction. Hey there, aspiring freelancers. Have you ever wondered if you could harness the power of your smartphone to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and turn it into a money-making machine? You'll be thrilled to know that your phone can become your portal to the world of freelancing, a realm where your skills and expertise are your most valuable assets. Today, we're going to demystify the art of freelancing and show you how you can start your journey toward financial freedom right from the palm of your hand. Discover your skills. Your path to freelancing begins by discovering your unique skills and talents. Think about what you're good at or passionate about. Are you a skilled writer, graphic designer, programmer, or a multitasking virtual assistant? Your phone is your gateway to opportunities in various fields. Start small, dream big. The beauty of freelancing is that you can start small and dream big. You don't need an expensive office or a team of employees. Your smartphone is your office, and you're the boss. Begin by creating a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Set your competitive rates and start offering your services to clients from around the world. Building your freelance portfolio. Your smartphone can help you build a portfolio that showcases your skills. Use it to take high-quality photos of your work or create a professional profile video explaining what you offer. As you complete projects and gain positive reviews, your portfolio will grow, and your reputation will shine. Solving problems and earning money. Freelancers are problem solvers. Clients come to you with a task or project they need help with. It could be writing content, designing a logo, programming a website, or providing administrative support. Your skills and expertise become the solution to their problems, and that's where you earn your keep. Earnings potential with your phone. Now, let's talk about the money. Freelancing can provide a flexible income stream, and here's a rough idea of what you can earn as a beginner. Starting out. As a beginner, you can realistically earn between $500 to $2,000 per month. Your earnings will depend on the demand for your skills and the quality of your work. Growth. As you gain experience and build a solid client base, your earnings can grow significantly. Many successful freelancers make $3,000 to $5,000 or more per month, and some even surpass the six-figure mark. Key to freelancing success. The key to freelancing success is dedication, professionalism, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work. With your smartphone as your trusty companion, you can communicate with clients, manage projects, and ensure timely delivery. Plus, you can collaborate with people from all over the world, broadening your horizons and your earning potential. Conclusion. Today, we've unraveled the world of freelancing, and it's all at your fingertips. You can use your phone to discover your skills, offer your services, and create your path to financial freedom. Don't wait. Take your smartphone and turn it into a freelancing powerhouse. You're just 1 gig away from making money and paving your way to a rewarding freelance career. Thanks. Always feel free to ask question if there is a part of the video you don't understand, and I will answer all you questions. Please don't forget to like this video, follow my page and share this video with at least 5 friends so that they can also benefit from it, and it will also encourage me in making more money-making videos.